I can't lie, y'all. I think that looks better than the HELLCATs. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Wulf back with another video. You see Cerberus in the back. Can you see him now? You see Cerberus in the back looking beastly. Today, hopefully, you see the weather. Hopefully, we're going to be able to install these EVL BE Designs custom intake tubes. Let's get into it. I'm going to go unbox them, then we're going to install them. Hopefully, before it thunders or gets dark. Let's do it, champ. Okay, and boom. So as you can see, we're in my recording studio. You know, you probably don't know, the intro and outro is actually my music from an album I put out like 2 years ago. So we're in my studio. It's got some good lighting. As I said before, this is from EVL BE Designs. Got the custom intake tubes. Looks like it's packaged pretty well. Actually, I'm gonna give you guys the, and boom, here we are. I got that. More air, some air. And here is the custom intake tube. As you can see, it's laser cut. You see the custom hellhound in there. Looks like really good quality. This is gonna look awesome once it's all lit up. So boom. I don't know if I've said this, but I don't know nothing about this type of stuff at all. Absolutely nothing. So this is going to be an experience for all of us. Get out of here, champ. We got this little EVL BE. So this is how it's going to come. If you get it, I think this one was like $220, $230, something like that. You know, it costs a little bit more for the custom design. So I guess this is all the good stuff. I hope the instructions are in there, because if not, bruh, I don't know how this thing gonna get on there, because like I said before, I don't know nothing about no electronics. Get back in there, Shan. We're gonna try this. As a team, as a Wolves, we're gonna knock this out, man. We're gonna knock this out. All right, let's go out there, see what happens. What's going on, YouTube? As you can see, it is a whole new day. You see Cerberus in the back looking beastly. You see Ifrit over there looking non-substantial. Get in there. But this is a whole new day. We're gonna try these intake tubes again. Last time I got rained out, a little thunderstorm or whatever. So today we're going to see if we can nip that in the bud and get these things installed. Let's do it. Okay, I realized that the instructions, they didn't come in the box, because it was like they're going digital. You know, they're getting with the times or whatever. Shout out to EVL BE. So we got the hood opened. Let's look under the hood and see what we got to take off or whatever. See what we got to do. Okay, so if you have a RIP vehicle, you're not gonna have to move anything, I don't think. We'll find out in a second when I actually try to fit the tube down there. But as you can see, you got a bunch of space right here, and I still have to pop this thing out. I never went ahead and popped it out, so I'm gonna pop this out, and we're gonna try to see if we can just slide it around the intake. And then, so I don't think I'm gonna have to move anything on that side over here. I mean, there's a lot of obstructions because like this and all this stuff, but I might be able to finagle it a little bit. I'm gonna be honest, this looks a wee bit complicated. I don't know about this, brother. I don't know about this. I don't know why you coming out would be help, because you're an idiot. But I appreciate you coming here to block the sun. Freak show. Let me get this camera right.
I don't believe nothing stupid.
So pop this thing out. I'm recording, brother.
Oh, I didn't know you were recording right now. This is the part where you pretend like you know what's going on. Go ahead. I'll be quiet.
Shut up. Pop that thing out, and then we're gonna stick our hand in here and. All right. Pop this thing out. So all you really do, stick your hand back there, and it's really you just push this out. It actually came out way easier than I thought it was going to. But as you know, I'm an expert.
And that's a lie, but go ahead.
Talking to the people, not
Lying to
him.
the people.
Yeah, it's very easy. I'm a great guy. So after you poke those things out, you just want to get something and stick it in here and wipe this stuff down. Because even though I've never taken my caps out, it's still dirty in there. Probably from the stuff coming in through my big giant roof scoop, fully functional. So we're gonna finish cleaning these out, and then we're gonna dry fit and make sure it fits in there snug, and see if we can get some power coming to that thing. Bro, I don't think you can help me, okay? Another thing you gotta do is you gotta take off these splash guard things up here. Alright, so now we done opened up the workspace. Got the splash guards off. Yeah, we opened up our workspace. So, like I said, on this side, it should just slide right in. Let's see a little bit more dust. I'm gonna wipe this thing down a little bit more and see if we can get this thing installed. Hold this. Be my cameraman. Make yourself useful.
Make myself useful? I just showed you how to do it.
You did not.
Yes. Is this recording?
Yeah, it's recorded.
He don't know what the hell he doing, y'all.
Man, you better be getting a good shot. I don't look like man.
Look, he don't know what the hell he's doing. I just showed him clear instructions, and now he gonna be ignorant for like another 5 minutes, and then he's gonna start doing what I just showed him. Go ahead, let's get that 5 minutes out the way, champion.
Oh, you gonna get the 5 minutes out the way?
Yeah.
You know Young Metro?
Yeah.
I don't think he trusts you.
He does.
So I might have to shoot you, bruh. So, as you can see right here, it doesn't stick out too much more than the actual, what's it called, factory thing. So you just slide that in there and boom. And you just see it right there. So that's an easy thing. So now we're gonna start plugging all this stuff in and see if we can get some power to these lights. So, whoop, slide that thing off. Damn. Stay. So, like I said before, we slid the other side out. We're gonna slide this side out. Ha! Smart. But, as you well know, see it?
I don't see a goddamn thing.
Got more muscle than a car, brother.
No.
Alright. So, boom. So far, you got a good shot right now? I don't think so.
Alright, back up.
Man, you a terrible cameraman.
Well, you so damn big.
Jeff, you weigh 70 pounds more than me, brother.
Not accurate.
You weigh a whole pit bull more than me. So I'm gonna let's take this off. I don't know. I might have to take that off and then put the bolt back on. So let me get a tool. Alright, so now this thing is off. And then you just screw this back on. And then once you go here, attach that thing, we should have power. It's flickering because, you know, it's not really all the way attached like it's supposed to be, but you get the idea. And I was having major technical difficulties because when you attach these things, this and this, the writing has to be on the same side. Okay? If you have the writing on this side and then you like this side is just all black, the writing has to be lined up to this. The male and the female have to be on the same side. Otherwise it's reverse. Shout out to EVL BE Designs for explaining that to me just now. I just spoke to him on the phone because I was out here for a long time trying to figure out what I was doing wrong. One second, flip the camera around. I was out here for a long time trying to figure that out. Get out of here, mosquito. What are you doing, bruh? Trying to figure that out, and I was getting irritated. It's like 90 something degrees. It was like 95 or something like that. And that thing wasn't connecting, wasn't coming on. I had to reset the app. I was checking the most fuses, doing all types of miscellaneous stuff to make it work. Uh-oh, there's Bigfoot. But make it work. And I hit him up on Instagram and he got back to me really quick. Called me and we were able to fix it in seconds. Shout out to him. You can't see that. But primarily, I will leave them as white. Let me see if I can get this in the focus. There you go, boom. Primarily, I will leave them as white. Just so it looks like, you know, factory. But that's pretty much the install. Make sure that's attached. You marry the wires properly. And then you make sure you download the app. You get a little scan code from the EVL BE. And yeah, you download the app. Pair it up with your phone. You're gonna have your Bluetooth and your location on, and then it's all paired up and you're good to go. I can't lie, y'all, I think that looks better than the HELLCATs. Sheesh. You know, got the most blue interior to match the most blue interior on the inside. You see it. And my light's dirty. Big embarrassment. But yeah, I think that pretty much wraps up this video. Like I said, I'm going to try to move these wires around. See if I can clean it up. See you guys in the next one. Me and Cerberus out.
Left wrist for the diamonds, right wrist for the power moves. Left wrist for the diamonds, right wrist for the power moves. Power moves, power moves. Rocked up, yabba dabba do.